All right. Happy Friday, guys. It's your boy Stas here. And looks like SoFi is moving up right now, almost 2.5% in the midst of a red day. So, yeah, we're going to break down SoFi, the charts, and go over the indexes, how we're looking, as again, all of them are in the red, and the VIX is up 4.5%. So, guys, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and of course, get your 30 stocks for Moomoo. Open up your account and fund it with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So, guys, let's get into it. Use that link down below or go to stasurfest.com/Moomoo and let's talk. So, SoFi is up 2.25% right now. You guys can see, and we pretty much broke out in the morning right out of the gate. We opened up at around 1490, shot all the way to 1525, and now we have a bit of a wedge, which overall this looks like it's about to break out, doesn't it? I mean, I could see this breaking out into the second half of the day. Right now it's about noon on the East Coast when I'm making this video, so I'm watching for that potential break here on the intraday chart. And now, guys, we can see we're battling to break through this resistance, which was support at, where was this, $15? Yeah, we broke through that. Now we're pretty much at 15.10, trying to really break through. So if we do get the full-on breakout in the short term, mid-15s, 16s is where this could be going, no problem. And on this 30-minute chart, you guys can see we're still technically in a little downtrend. I mean, you guys see that we're making clear lower highs. Now we're testing a big resistance, right? This could be another lower high, or will it? Will we break out? Time will tell. So 30-minute chart, you guys see that. 1 hour chart, pretty much the same thing, but it kind of shows a different angle. We also have a wedge. You guys see here we hit 1330 on the 13th of January, and since that point we've put in some higher lows. We hit 1436 early February, about 5 days ago. Now just yesterday we held 1450. We're starting to pop now. So what direction are we going to pick? Now it seems like we're starting to break out to the top of the wedge, but will we fully break out of there? I'm not seeing that yet, and honestly, we might not get that today. It's Friday, heading into the weekend. We only have about 4 hours left of trading as of now, but at some point next week, let's see if we can build on this green and stack a couple green days in a row, and at that point, we will be breaking out of this wedge, the 180 SMA on the 1 hour chart, and we'll be rocking and rolling from that point. It would look really, really good. So keep your eyes on that. I'm going to set my alert. I think I set one 2 days ago at about at about 1550. And I think it hit. So let me re-put that there. My dog, what the heck is my dog doing in there, guys? Yeah, she's eating some food. It sounds like she was choking for a second. I'm like, wait a second. She's fine. I just checked. She's all good. But yeah, SoFi, 1550, man. I'm telling you, keep your eyes on that point, and we could be going crazy above that level. And on the 4 hour chart, I mean, you guys see it even more. And overall, I mean, in the grand scheme of things, guys, we're still looking great on SoFi. I mean, I get the comments sometimes, like we talked about in my video yesterday, like, oh my God, Stas, SoFi's down, you're an idiot, blah, blah, blah. And I'm like, man, where were you a couple months ago? When it was at $5, $6, $7 and we were I was buying it. I'm sure a lot of you guys were as well. But that's how people are. They're short-term thinkers in the market. I get it. I mean, there's frustration involved sometimes with trading. I know, guys, I'm a trader. Trust me, I've made some bad, stupid trades. Not that SoFi is a stupid trade, but I've lost money in the short term on trades, and it sucks. I understand the frustration. I really do. But if you look at the charts, it doesn't look like SoFi is collapsing. If it fell through 13 into the 12s, 11s, all right, that's a different story. But as of now, we're still looking pretty solid in the 15s. And all it takes is a break out of this wedge above these moving averages on the 4 hour, and boom, we're breaking back out. just like that. And that would be a great momentum opportunity, man. I think this could potentially start pushing towards $20. I mean, I said this weeks ago. I've said this before. I think $20 is in the cards. I don't know when particularly, but maybe this year. Maybe this year. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments about SoFi, and make sure to join the email list, by the way. It's free, and I send you guys my top stocks weekly. That is linked right down below, guys. Make sure you join, put your first name, your email address, and boom, you are locked in. So, yeah, let me see quickly here. Pinterest is moving up 17% right now, guys. Not too sure exactly what's going on here with Pinterest. I'm assuming, yeah, they reported earnings. They must have done very well. Let's see here, which is good considering the stock's been flat for months. I mean, finally, we got some news here. Adjusted EPS of 56 cents. That missed the 65 cents expected. Sales, $1.15 billion versus $1.13 billion expected. So they missed EPS, beat sales, and they see Q1 revenue of $837 to $852 million versus $832 expected. So a nice beat there on Q1 revenue. Let's see what else here, guys. Revenue crosses 1 billion. Monthly active users up 11%. Pretty good, man. So yeah, I guess the guidance beat is all it takes. It looks like we got some, buy ratings and price hikes on Pinterest. So man, this thing is breaking out of a range that it was in for months. The resistance was $34-$35, and we are running through that. So guys, there could be a lot more momentum here on Pinterest. The all-time high, it's not 45, but the recent high is 45. The all-time high has got to be more than that. I mean, yeah, 89 back there in COVID. Yeah, that makes sense. And it's nowhere near that. But hey, maybe it gets back there one day, guys. Maybe, just maybe it does. So let's see what else. OKLO, again, are you freaking serious? This is insane. 20 more percentage points to the green. This is unreal. I don't know what the news is on that. Maybe I missed something. But it looks like here B. Riley adjusts OKLO price target to $58 from $27, maintains buy rating. So this thing is really moving, guys. But I don't know, man. At this point, I think it's kind of dangerous territory. I don't know about you guys, but I'm not rushing into this thing now. I was calling it out here. Do you guys remember when we took a beat down from 32 down to about 20? Right here, we called it out, literally. And, I traded it, made a little money here, but I didn't think it was going to go this far. I mean, this is insane. $59. So watch for that pullback. I don't know when it's going to happen. I don't know if it's tomorrow, next week, or not tomorrow, but next week, the week after. I don't know, but we'll leave it there. Let me know your thoughts, guys, in the comments. Hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe. We're almost at 50K subs. And do not forget to get your 30 stocks from Moomoo. Once you open up your account and fund it with at least $100, you get 5 free stocks. Fund your account with at least $2,000. You get 25 more stocks, and your uninvested cash now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So, guys, I'm telling you, it's a no-brainer. Check out the link down below or go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo, and I'll catch you in the next video.